In this video, I'll show you how to add a video to a PowerPoint presentation. So let's get started. First, open the slide where you want to add the video. Then, click on Insert. Next, click on Video on the top right side. A drop-down menu will open, allowing you to add a video from your device, stock video or online video. I'll add a video from this device. Now, select your video and click on Insert. You can resize it from the corners. You can also apply styles from the available templates. If you want to use a specific part of the video, right-click on the video, and a pop-up will open. Click on Trim Video. You can drag the playhead or enter the exact timestamps. Now, you have successfully added a video to your presentation.